सियावर रामचंद्र की जय. In today's edition of Manas for Manush, we will go through the Sundarkand Doha number 1, Shlok number 5, through which we will find out that compassion is reserved only for the qualified ones. जलनिधि रघुपति दूत बिचारी, ते मैं नाक हो ही श्रमहारी. When Hanumanji was leaping and jumping on Manak mountain, he was putting not only the mountain's existence at risk, but also his own. In reality, however, he was not merely jumping about. He was analyzing his upcoming objective. He was surveying how much strength, speed, and energy he would need to cross the ocean. And for such analysis, a high altitude point is always appropriate, one from which the entire area can be clearly observed. Thus, Bajrangbali climbed Mountain Manak to gauge the depth and expanse of the ocean. The ocean, observing all this with a witness-like detachment, understood that this great soul was a messenger of Lord Sri Ram. Wanting to assist him, the ocean began advising the mountain. Goswami Tulsidas says, Jalnidhi Raghupati Doot Bichari, Te Manak Hohi Shramhari. The ocean realized Hanuman was Raghupati's envoy and therefore told Manak mountain to play its role in Sri Ram's mission by becoming a Shramhari, a remover of fatigue, a place of rest for Hanuman. This way, the foremost amongst Vanaras could regain energy and move forward to accomplish his goal. Now, a question may arise in your mind. If the ocean was such a great devotee of Sri Ram and wished to help Hanuman, why did it not itself assist Bajrangbali in reaching Lanka? Why did it not directly create a path for him to cross? This is a valid question, but recall what Rashtrakavi Ramdhari Singh Dinkar wrote about the ocean. 3 दिवस तक पंथ मांगते रघुपति सिंधु किनारे, बैठे पढ़ते रहे छंद अनुनय के प्यारे प्यारे. उत्तर में जब एक नाद भी उठा नहीं सागर से, उठी अधीर धधक पौरुष की आग राम के शर से. सिंधु देह धर त्राहि त्राहि कर ता आगिरा शरण में, चरण पूज दासता ग्रहण की बंधा मूढ़ बंधन में. Goswami Tulsidas himself in the Ramcharitmanas Lanka Kand Chaupai 57 mentions, विनय न मानत जलधि जड़, गए 3 दिन बीत, बोले राम सकोप तब, भय बिन होय न प्रीत. Sri Ram prayed to the ocean for 3 days. He pleaded humbly and earnestly. Only then did the ocean grant permission to build a bridge over it. If the ocean would have already created a path for Hanuman, how would it have experienced the joy of Sri Ram's 3 days of solicitation and humility? The truth is that even compassion has a rightful recipient. Sri Ram is the very embodiment of compassion, showering grace upon all. But even he used to first ensure whether the one before him was worthy of that compassion or not. Otherwise, Bali too had begged for mercy while lying on his deathbed. But the Lord refused his plea at the moment and explained to him, "You did come for refuge to the right person, but you came at the wrong time. If you had sought my shelter earlier, when Sugriv had taken your kingdom through deception, you should have invoked my compassion then, but you did not. When you emerged from the cave after slaying the demon Mayavi, you should have sought my grace then. Instead, you were filled with pride in your own strength. And just as you were consumed by anger, the feeling of seeking compassion could not arise in your heart. For where compassion resides, anger cannot exist. And where anger exists, compassion cannot dwell. In the same way, the ocean too was waiting for Hanuman, the foremost among Vanaras, to recognize his own divine nature. Only then could he be made a recipient of compassion. Once that happened, the ocean urged mountain Menak to show compassion towards Bajrangbali. So, what lesson do we learn from today's Chaupai? That to receive someone's compassion, it is necessary to become worthy of it. Baba's Brahmagyan today is dedicated to people who are restless. Even though Hanumanji was jumping on the mountain, it was the mountain that suffered damage, not him. But restless and overly curious people often end up harming themselves as well as others. Just look at this example. This is Nandi Maharaj, who today felt like riding a scooter, and that too in top gear.
ये चल दिए ये जाना ये
आप बताओ एक को, हर एक बताए एक को, सूचना ये हो जाए जनहित में जारी। तो बोलो, मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी, द्रवहु सुदशरथ अजिर बिहारी।